Hello everyone and welcome to this introduction video. Today I'm excited to introduce one of the most comprehensive biomechanics training package available for Abaqus users here. If you're a biomechanical engineer, mechanical engineer, researcher, graduate student, or someone interested in medical device simulation and biomechanics, this package was specifically developed for you. The Abaqus Biomechanics package contains 17 complete workshops covering a wide range of real-world biomechanical engineering application. Here you can see the package overview. The workshops are not simple theoretical examples. They are based on practical engineering problems, scientific research, and advanced finite element modeling technical use in academic and industry. One of the biggest challenging in learning biomechanics simulation is finding realistic projects that combine theory, modeling, technical, and actual engineering practice. That's exactly what this package provided here. Let's take a quick look at what is included. The, the package starts with blood, blood vessel, and its interaction. You'll learn how to model non-Newtonian blood flow behavior using Abaqus CFD, which is essential because blood does not behave like a simple Newtonian fluid. Understanding its complex flow characteristic is critical for many biomechanical applications. The package also includes two advanced fluid structure interaction or FSI workshops. In these projects, you can see here, you'll simulate the interaction between blood flow and blood vessel, allowing you to study how fluid forces affected vessel deformation and how vessel deformation influence the flow field. Next, we move to the dental biomechanical simulation. Several workshops focus on dental implant and tooth mechanics. You'll learn how to simulate dental implant insertion, investigate implant interaction with mandibular bone, and analyze the behavior of innovative titanium foam implant. You'll also study stress distribution inside the human tooth under loading conditions, helping you understand how forces are transferred through dental structure, as you can see in these pictures here. These projects are particularly valuable for researchers and engineers working in dental implant design and optimization. This package moves into orthopedic biomechanics and bone mechanics. You'll learn how to simulate pull-out behavior of a medical screw, as you can see here, uh, and ceramic nail from bone tissue. Investigate the damage mechanisms uh, during implant extraction and analyze fixation performance. Additionally, the package includes bone drilling and cortical bone cutting simulation. Here you can see this too. Another exciting section of the package focuses on trauma and injury biomechanics. For example, one of the workshops investigate arrowhead impact on a human skull here, uh, inspired by trauma study and archaeological research. Another project examined ballistic impact response of a Kevlar reinforced gelatin. Gelatin is a human tissue, which is often used as a substitute for human tissue in impact study. There is also a simulation of a ball. Here you can see the ball here. The ball impact to the human skull here. It helps users understanding the sport-related injury mechanism. This project demonstrates how finite element analysis can be applied to uh, forensic biomechanics and impact engineering and injury prevention research. The package also includes simulations of femur fracture under impact loading and crack growth in bone fracture. You can see as the end of the package here. Now let's talk about what you actually receive. For every workshops, you will receive the complete CAE file allowing you to explore and modify simulation setup. You will receive the input file. In addition, you will receive a step-by-step video tutorial and the paper if exists. And this allows you not only to reduce or reproduce the simulation, but also to understand the theoretical and scientific background behind each project. Instead of focusing on a single topic, it combines CFD, FSI, contact mechanism, explicit dynamic, damage mechanism, fracture, implant, trauma, biomechanics, sorry, and bone machining. In total, these 17 workshops provide a complete learning pathway for biomechanics simulation in Abaqus. Whether your goal is conducting academic research, publishing scientific paper, developing mechanical device, or expanding your engineering skill, this package can help you significantly accelerate your learning process. And at the end here, you will have the payment method. The price for the full package is 138 euros. We accept PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and cryptocurrencies for the payment. Just before the payment, contact us through this email here. Then we will uh, answer you about the package, its content, price, payment method, anything that you need to know. And there we will be available to do all of them. For now, thank you for your attention.